In this video, we will find the smallest square number divisible by three numbers, say A, B, and C. Now, first, this process is explained with three numbers, general approach A, B, and C, and then particularly we'll consider these numbers, say 6, 9, and 15. This is illustrated with those three numbers, and we'll have one more problem also. So first step is to find the LCM of A, B, C. Given three numbers, you find the LCM of those three numbers. Then factorize that LCM into prime factors. Identify prime factors with odd exponents. Then multiply the LCM by the product of those prime factors which are raised to the power of 1 to make their exponents even. The resulting number is the smallest square number divisible by A, B, and C. So as such, the rule may not be easy to follow. So we shall have the explanation for all these steps by considering this example. Say A is taken as 6, B as 9, C as 15. The LCM of these three numbers is 90. And we write 90 as a product of prime powers in this way. And we see that the exponent of 2 and 5 being odd. It is not that it should be only 1, it can be even 3, 5, 7. It should be, when it is odd, then what we are going to do is explained in the following steps. So here you can multiply this by 2 and 5, which means 10. So that is done step by step. First with 5 it is multiplied. So 90 into 5, that you get it as 450. And then you multiply 450 into 2. That is, you are multiplying this by 2 again in order to make it as perfect square, So that will give us 900. Straight away also you can multiply 2 into 5, that is 90 into 10, you get 900. So that is the smallest square number divisible by 6, 9, and 15. Now to illustrate, to have a more a clear idea, you have another example. We find the smallest square number divisible by 4, 14, and 22. Take A as 4, B as 14, and C as 22. LCM of these three numbers happens to be 308. The prime factorization of that number is 2 square, 7, 11. We see that 7 and 11 have odd exponent. So the whole lot is to be multiplied by 7 into 11, that is 77. So 308 is multiplied by 77, so that the exponents will be even. Now when we multiply these two, we get the number to be this. So this is the smallest square number divisible by 4, 14, and 22. Thank you.